you going now?
Okay, actually I'm heading over to which is located at Senoko area, but I do not know the exact address. So the reason why I'm here is actually to introduce them to a new chemical which is equivalent to one of our competitors, chemical called. So this chemical, what it does is actually it can clean, sanitize because it's got chlorine. It can have the same property as a sheen. It can, light up, shine the equipment, have those anti-slip properties like a Radar D, has those surfactants like a Surfa Clean. So technically I would say maybe 5 in 1 chemical or maybe 6 in 1 chemical. Yeah, so this is why I'm here to introduce this chemical to them because they are my customer for 4+1 year contract. I would say today the variant 5 much more stronger and effective in terms of cleaning and performance. It brings something that really live up to the expectation. Like not just me, I think for my customer as well.